Okay, come on down. We'll look at the next plant.
Hi, Mark.
This is Ericameria linearifolia in the Asteraceae. Again, the sunflower family. This is the second Ericameria that we're learning in this class, after Ericameria ericoides. This one is called linearifolia because it has these really distinctive, long, linear leaves. If you get close and look at them, one of the distinguishing features of this Ericameria, or this Ericameria and its really close relatives, is that on the actual surface of the leaf, there's these glands that sort of look like what we saw in Tilia. They're kind of like sunken pits that produce a waxy, really resinous substance. So if you take some of the leaves and you crush them, and you smell it, has this really distinctive odor. I think it's pretty nice. It's kind of like, sort of citrusy. It sort of feels like, smells like the stuff you put on like a wood counter to keep it from getting nasty. Ericamerias in general are woody shrubs that are low shrubs, like this and like Ericameria ericoides. You only get a couple feet tall in California. There's some larger ones out in the desert. And linearifolia is the interior golden bush is the common name, because it doesn't grow on the coast. It grows mostly in kind of like dry, rocky outcrops among chaparral. And it does really well in those dry places. The other thing that I use to identify this particular species of Ericameria is that these are the dried inflorescences here. And you can see there's like a peduncle, the stem that the inflorescence is on, and then there's just one flower head at the top. And in the sunflower family, because the flower head is made up of a lot of joined composite florets, it has a distinctive name, the capitulum. So this species of Ericameria just has one capitulum on one peduncle. In other ones, you have like an agglomeration of many different heads. And all of the florets have actually fallen off at this point, and all that's left is the receptacle. And that's this kind of dinner plate-like structure that all the florets are attached to. And then the bracts, called phyllaries, which are kind of like the equivalent to the calyx in a normal flower, but they're specialized in this family. That's all I want to say about this species, but I'll just say one thing, which is that we've seen a lot of members of this family. We've seen a lot of members of certain families and only a few members of other families. And that's because when it comes to plants, certain families are super diverse and other ones are not so diverse, especially in these habitats. And this is a very diverse family. One of 10 plants that you're going to see on the planet Earth is a sunflower family plant. So it tends to be one of the most diverse families in lots of places, including California and elsewhere. So this is Ericameria linearifolia to Asteraceae. It's a resinous low shrub with linear leaves that are covered in these glandular pits, and it has a single head on a single stalk at the end of the branches.